Benedict Asante Ebua, aka the controversial, and then the security expert,
indefatigable.
Yeah, the indefatigable Bright Yabuama, my security expert. Now I am looking for one person who will be my energy expert. Because the Jinapo Yenede, Amianimni, energy minister.
What do you mean? I am CEO. Every day, your mama buy. What me? I am
the energy minister says he needs 1 billion Ghana cedis. As I said, your petrol aka. You bet me about more minor. Yaso Kaniano. Aka 2.6 days. 6 hours. Now you say 2 days lichema after 6 hours. Ghana in Abedum.
Energy minister
Also Kappa of 113 shut down because you do almost $400 million.
Energy no dey check Ghana for na. Light no anti ekoto.
Energy minister deputy Collins you don't be church komo. Minority MPs petition strike. Office of Special Prosecutor CID. So I'm going to Sammy Jeffy. It's empty before, but we need you, Mediana.
Since here with that, one more day, one year you will be
as a teacher, whatever I mean, introduction, I have a summer before. Ah, it's your opposition, and if you are to the Oyedi,
office, or your minister, or your minister,
on this grounds, we are not
Adeakye Abia. Honorable Adongo, Onyan Semununa Oti. So Otiema no pay. Now I now understand why your mama mananye
more
finance minister.
One man appointment be.
When you're board member,
he's a board. He's a yeah. Shamami Gasel. When Ghana Bank of Ghana board akoye meeting now almost jine say bia. Omo betimi aye one way I betimi aboama dollar na stabilize say bia counter withdrawal foreign exchange withdrawal. Omo say bi betimi ama say bia ade a omo dwene ho amunya mpie ye din komo dem na don't go there beto abonten say na no ye darea say don't go na no ye darea
Minister of Finance
and I have a good animas no Minister of Finance here in the world of finance projections perceptions are dangerous. Forecast. Sure. Except why yenka. Hey, you me catch a CEO be say. Ya appointed CEO be for a company no almost stocks and no almost shares are paid.
Yes.
Yet me catch say ya CEO be edi. Na company no a go ansa. Yet me announce one policy.
Yes.
Finance in Yagra. Also your finance expert. And you know say about me a friend Wale Adam Smith. No abon. You know, so a friend of Maguire. A friend of who did to forcing. Or my penny, your mama, and I don't go and can to know Yan Semuno. Oh, at least for one share, one no, a bit deal Munya. How can you come and sit now? Foreign trade, foreign exchange. You open your mouth loud and wide. Say, very soon you cannot withdraw. Emrabe no jira so de kan. Mamene, honorable Collins Adoma Koncho Komo. Honorable, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mini Abena. But I'm promising.
Me ho ya pa now so e te won ka che.
Me ho ya pa. I don't go assemble here na to base.
Da bi na enya seven to base. Honorable, obi a we governor, board of director, a member at Bank of Ghana. Eti we no to eti decision take go account. So governor na me na guase. Esia ma chere say. Esia ma say oh, when you find a market volatility, by your statement, ubeto ma dollar na eba form no. Asa peja. Honorable Kabibi.
Me say na sem that was about 2 days ago no. My fear was that in finance, you have a friend the run on the bank.
Yes.
What it means that there will be a rush on the bank To me say, and no pa, my friend, my relationship manager. Ebusa and said, what is the issue? Because now I wanted to find out whether I mean musical and I said maintain I didn't understand. And all catch me so no crown and no pay, there's been a lot of people coming to the banks.
Can you see?
Essentially to withdraw Omusika because
Yes.
no one yet too sure of the announcement now. Yenya Adongo Dubai. So it was important. Say Bank of Ghana this statement in the to calm the sector. Otherwise, inka Bema and Yoma destabilize the kakra. But sometimes as politicians, it's a mistake. I understand or frustration.
Honorable, when you mistake, a board member, what it means is they were considering, which means it was something on the table they were considering. Yeah, can't say what Kukwami and can't say Beka or your spokesperson in Bank of Ghana. Let's call the spade, honorable. Or Beka Sadodo.
The party said the statement from Bank of Ghana is enough condemnation for Adongo. And I'm sure I'm is grappling with
your mama dear pass one man of finance minister. My any come was here ya will call ye also soon de kakra. And they are why a deputy energy minister the workings there you knew it. Energy minister back also peka sapa ni jinapo. One also say I carry 2 days 2 days 6 hours. Na can I walk Ghana in doom. Honorable, the same way Wadarumao, more energy committee, no more year Juma Hono. It is bringing panic to industries and businesses and residents. How do we do it? Yeah, can I say?
First of all, Mami Sanchez will be share with you for now as part of our oversight responsibility as energy committee. This weekend and this week, in the next 3 days, a retreat. And this 2 days, why we are focusing on the power sector. In I invited all the power sector players, PURC, Energy Commission, VRA, GRECO, ECG. What we normally do is say at the beginning of a work program at the chain, and my scrutinize the work program. It was during this session, the opening ceremony, which was Enra, and you inviting ministers to only be a session in my end. It was during his interactions at the opening session and to make this particular remark. In fact, I was just not mentioning and to make his statement. Okay, and everybody cringed. Said, hey, what is happening? Especially because Saubekaya on the 7th of January 2025, during the inauguration, okay, see interview, and man can be so say akabe 2 hours or 3 hours. Na ifu na asa. So it brought some panic amongst us. At the time, the media was present. And I realized that you touch on and now you say tweets and Facebook post, media na capture as more kind. Fortunately for us, presentations from the various agencies, it became very clear to us as some minister and the person choosing words carefully. It was a false alarm. I think I should say so. Because data now, especially GRIDCO at the Mayan, it does not suggest to say fuel aka 2 days. That's not it. So Ubekaya, there are different plants, thermal plants. It is one of the thermal plants. And no fuel in aka 2 days. And not just all the fuel in the system aka 2 days. In fact, data now GRIDCO for the Mayan. So the man plan meeting up bobo so kakra bi asiko.
Bobo so mi ente kakra.
E pacho asogli plant. Fuel wo almost system no sisi and this is data as at yesterday.
And not data.
And not data. Fuel wo mo plant no sisi and it can cover for almost 6 days.
6 days.
6 days asogli.
Okay.
Sun power. I think that the minister was referring to. because same power no LCO they are 2.5 days. That's same power. Oko same power plant no EMU bako use LCO, which is the light cruise no, and bako so use DFO, which is the heavy diesel fuel no.
That's right.
And no so aka 14 hours. Over the thermal power plant, the IFN said KTPS. And no quite the aka 12 days. Fuel will make 12 days. Oko AXA. And also aka 3 days. So it is not entirely accurate to say it's a fuel aka 2 days. It is a similar statement that Minister making here in January. So Bekaya.
Yes, I'm a penny in.
Aka 24 hours. Aka 48 hours. And that is not entirely true. We were just referring
I've said 2 days and I want a number 2 no.
It was the truth of the matter is the person will be calm down. The fuel in the system, and 2 days on the basis of data no grid for the money and no. It is one particular plant and aka 2 days. Now yesterday so we got to know and say, the beginning of the year, the last time I was talking to you, all the power players, IPP and the energy sector players, work program. So the ministry is aware the quantity of fuel they will require by the end of the year. They know. It's a surprise. So that's why I'm saying, sometimes let's say minister, calm me down. And my name created the impression, I can't fuel 2 days there because he was informed, said during this time, the gas will announce a gas level from the supply of gas level from because of a maintenance schedule. So everybody is aware. Pre-information say in September, you bear this kind of maintenance. This day, you bear this kind of maintenance. Because of this, gas, so better. To make arrangement for liquid fuel, everybody is aware ahead of time. Let me put it on record that the data we have, we could for the man, and let's say Ghana, fuel laka to power our thermal plant,
and Commodino Kowie say car power say I buy it in the car $400 into almost shut it down.
Well, you see, any information on the buyer and car power debt is not new. And this is one of the things I'm the complaints are becoming a little bit too much. I think it's important you focus your attention in solving the problem. As far back as 2-3 years ago, everybody knew there were debts with car power. Indeed, Omo manifesto, no in the campaign, and there are videos to it. He was very confident that government should focus its attention in solving the problem rather than lamenting. And then nobody can't say car power the car. No, that's a car power the car. It is the duty of government in power to put together strategies to ensure that the energy sector is running smoothly. So now, he shouldn't be telling us the car. He should be telling us these are the plans we have put in place to ensure car power does not shut down. That is what is important.
All right. Minia, medawase na yana bra kumase na
meba fie na yedin komo.
Bra no me hu studio ha, me ba ha me hu.
But he, let me put it on record again. Say nobody should panic on the basis of also 2 days, because the records we have does not suggest after 2 days for the whole Ghana. There is some a little fuel. Actually, fuel to ensure there will be some additional supplies.
Thank you very much, Honorable Collins Ademako. All right. Mamimra Moche. Na Ishasi Azante.
For the first time, the former deputy minister once I made me cancel one of the late appointees another year, Richard Follow-Bebrem. I kept saying, this young man was an asset. Collins was an asset for the party, and he has demonstrated even after the party has lost the elections. this morning Collins is speaking like a minister.
I was saying a minister no.
What yes, I say o kasa so na a minister. Our no mo share Ghana for in crime. And a whole substantive minister no so no. Rumor mongering. Nay, maybe who be that for the first time history of this country say a whole minister. What is not this not mean kasa lamentation. I said, what do who kasa pa ba be wura Ghana for mu. I know class unfortunately so entisa. The whole of this union, I see one of the power police about pay on the less than
same power.
All of them are having
a bill of 12 days.
Excess of that.
A bill of 14 days. A bill of 14 hours.
What so do energy expert is striving to put up who creatures say.
Why should do energy expert?
Say yeah, my boy say what's up for another portfolio can you know. Say what you about modia my who say. You bet me and 400,000, 40,000 cubic.
400,000. Yes, by weekend, they bet me. So, Asante, so weekend is Yami and Dom does a sap, petrol, no bet me a bar. I don't have a catcher saka 2 days.
2. One, I said 2 the back catcher, I say.
Yeah, maintenance.
Yeah, maintenance. So we should warm ourselves for any eventualities. Ghana for it, and the minister. Venice, George Napo, Ubian Town, a German minister, you Ghana for Bobo Basso. Share on my penny mamma, he was in Cote d'Ivoire last Tuesday. What kind of Cote d'Ivoire say? Ghana for your day, IPPC, independent power producer, $2.5 billion.
Yeah.
And what catch there, I say, or sell by early 2026, January, you will try to settle most of the debt. Most of the debt.
Assurance.
So that you come and say, "Be better to power, whatever."
Ube is Sawajine. But where the only go do
what you say? As some of Paul can say, "You may a Thomas Simka cry ye na Dubik ye na do man mananye." Say, ye wo a government and state institutions. Omun cha libel. Ye cha libel yaboma. Ye libel to any board thing. But according to reports by these energy think tanks, for can say, you will bear 40 or more percent of power now. Yentuaka or soon free. And Yena Yebre. And the 90 percent state institutions in India. It is a parliament. It is there. Education. And that is where we can recover all. Yes, I'm a diabetic. And you, Jinapo, no one can say. At this time, say, police. State security institutions will be able to anything through. Oko central ha say police for entry libel. Abraham na mo supply kuma say ensuo nyina ye no mo na mo de mayen. Adenti
police for irenom uko omo no ma barracks. Your friend say sa
ice cake ne ice block go say na manya what
omuntua
na muntua what bi da na two dey ya twama kuma kra ne say me yem nso ne say ya enura na discuss say ye wo this CEOs omoji in excess of 780 million.
No more tab.
Na mo to mean to libel. Na Ghana for the sumu ade na mo ye o man. Enti kan mo kura no say ade mo manage mo power na as CEO no se bosumi asokwa na sebe. Ye do sika ayi botene kakrako wakotum na wo as responsible say we to libel won to ente ye o de. Na Yakobia Gihok ehwo a mo sonya protection. So abuaton amama nyamfa so muntua like bro woko bia SCC why are this going on say muntua omano these IPPs will continue to own them all the time and obi enu agwagwaje bosia no na ba mama dia yedema mu free and to do big dia no start here it was good policy I was Jinapo man ni break kache mama say mama say yento asa dia no so na obi entua
Ghana Airport Company every play to call na mo de ka.
What be that?
Me why?
Native do night. Mo
first. Aeroplane take it what den.
And
I won't con crank a crabia. Passenger 3,800. And crank a crabby. 3,800. Now our GB 4,500. In and out. 30 minutes no do. 4,500. So. Siko Mutia my port company nyade ketwa. And so na electricity bill taho. The whole parliament amoshemra na mo electricity ka ube come ministries no na ministry of as until with him the shocking thing ministry of energy come the electricity ka ministry of energy jina pop pa omo ko say omo light bill omo tua ministry of energy Omo de ka.
But one of the ministers need
ECG crow the ECG ka.
Come electricity come.
ECG na what the ECG ka. ECG.
Greco the Greco ka.
Greco ka.
Oh. Yeah, want me to there.
Yeah.
Want me to.
Interest akota me the mesre mampeni John Dramani Mahama na appointees ne say they should start graduating from opposition
into government.
Some ni na no aka. Akota say mampeni John Dramani Mahama appointees na nhunu say so mafro opposition aba bem no mo tokosoa kasate se ne omo opposition no a akota omo ne beguna ban no Adeakye Abia okoko yeye mampeni Akufo-Addo e de assembly jai se sika mpede
de no omo aso
free sada mampeni Akufo-Addo ko kan asem no na dollar was soro pa e ba form starting ma as a stability bi ba system ni mu because then the day na wo Ghana sika dollar ko soro dollar wa ise bebrebe sa na fe na obi adwene ye
na dollar no meti no
na afe ni ho meti no se ye de sa no ni bia ba sa be si dollar no e na dollar ba fomu o nyame adom awan o wo dollar ko sesen awan e na Adeakye defo ya o pe kasa bebrebe hwan magwai den hwan Smith hwan den and was said bia kwakobom enra like afi you among for started send no message say
there was I'm telling you say all the big banks no they are conform wo sika kese or wanted to go and
yes fa so bia ne sika no be koso
so say enchebia I don't go see very soon.
Yes,
it is a soon in Yamaya.
Yes, onim soon kro
me baram be yibi sika so tu ga so ma me
me
wa dollar no so any hosa
it
want say ya pressure will be at the bank and with that no the dollar will rise.
Na Omanhene Yaw me say ominam po na me dem see this medalist na me say be see di boy ene ho ye de na say be yina ko see di kura say kan ha me
nka wo kra nke be
what you say nje na so say me tudwa
why na so man no be ma say
see di ho ye de
eh de wo kan yaw ginapo etuki so man pani jo mama be so ma ginapo say o ke kan che Ghana for say aka 2 days 6 hours
Adeakye ni ginapo obi ansoma wo mo na hwehwe animu ene edu ba bia say ye pe bibia be ka kire Ghana for ene ye ne ginapo ba bia ogire as energy minister.
You are rather explaining problems to us.
Also, akuta so ka kire Ghana for say ye power nyina ye fuel and ye bibia betimi de Ghana ko 2
security threat.
Yes, Ghana nyina dumu a factories nyina dumu companies nyina dumu bibia the country is dark. Energy minister Gina Passam no bekan no sana no opa ka kire yen say in the next 2 days Ghana nyina bedum into baby akọ pe baby fa sana no ka kire yen
and also Ghana beduma
say no o say na kote kan ya kura dum say bia o kan ya dum be 3 hours na say wo fi a wo de hwe awuhuro ene ase
ya o me sinra enra asante man frɛ
me
enra for almost 6 hours or 8 hours na kania no half carrot
mo area ho
ye o nyina na baby bebre o enkan Awiakete ukọ rolling spark on ne makola no nyina na generators because fan current to me fa this is a problem omampani jo mama niema all ye kama nyina no kania ya ha
and akuta my ya oda TV su gina poi omo kan kire ne say ne boss no o man appointment and ne wodidie no ne boss no department and as ministry no say no and de ne boss no e co position no
it's like he's forgotten.
I say ena NDC ababa ye there's this perception say omo ba ye so no dum
so saba
it wo no enye sansem we na also obeke ka kire all the time o say wo say enkran say dum so bia ni ho ye solve ade na de ne resolve e bia technical challenge na wo no o boss ade de ne co position gu na nim ase e ma maham ya dum so de mahama ne dum so nie wa in 2016 o boss na sa ba nyame ye wadom o the ministry no wo that time now ye deputy minister e o power ministry it will know you are not new to the ministry.
You know
the ins and outs of some ministry no enumpo na ukike kasansem we de kire yen
na ya na ade ya two
unnecessarily just like that
the word two no e won enum
ukro ya na yesu ino boss park na ye de o boss be gina so amana ma adwuma ye no ukogina okaka kire Ghana fo nyina se petro aka
in the next 5 hours
Ghana nyina bedum
when Ghana nyina bedum there
Ghana nyina bedum o akufo do nipa boni nti wankra petro amayen
I feel convert now say e be 21 days e be 18 days na baako pebi
kania ne so ya ma utimi de converting ukoka za asam ne kire ye
sometimes so na bon top petro
ba kania ne timi so ya ma utimi de convert ye mene udidi energy minister abugina po sam gina po onye careful o
na ni nua ketua no say ni say no ye
ni nua ketua no kra be di lands
ni say no ye
obedi deputy chief of staff hwene nua ketua na dwumo ye onheye ginapo
the kasa na
opposition die mo sa time na opposition o sorry gira parliament na unu no ayen dum so is coming omo de hwan ka power ka omo de hwan ka no you are no more in opposition bio
you
don't talk like who opposition you are in power graduate from opposition to government the guy there mo
kaka me kan
ya jo me enkomra asante ye komba dot to and then we have time to go into other issues. Friday, you may realize. Why we on Pamuno?
As a Casa Bebre, also,
why we on Pamuno?
A free neck was a chief of staff issue caveat. Say Minister Bioko Casa up at Chemna Okano, Cafabra,
Bravo proofreading.
Make sure, say, Parliament, and I said,
nobody's good. It's good as something.
Let's say on permanent.
On permanent, say.
Some minister Okasa said, Bibi to now, a chief of staff never home as
Akota, a dongo di. Yes, Yakodi whom come as boss.
Yenyan, no, I can't about it. It's time for tip off. Stay with us, Yaba. You better